My name is Sam Lovett. I'm currently a home brewer and I've been in the restaurant industry for over 3 years working for Union Square Hospitality Group in New York City.
My name is Sarah Hutcherson, and I'm an operations and business development associate in a brewing technology company in Denver, Colorado. We're here to solve the world's most pressing food waste challenges with our spent grain solution. We are the BARD MBA team for the Net Impact Food Solutions Challenge. Woo!
There are over 5,000 craft breweries in the United States that produce over 750 million pounds of brewer's byproduct each year. That is more than the Empire State Building's weight. This byproduct is called spent grain. 70% of brewer spent grain goes to cattle, while 30% ends up in our landfills.
The 225 million pounds of spent grain sent to the landfill creates over 115 million carbon dioxide equivalent units. This is the same as 350,000 round-trip flights from London's Heathrow Airport to New York's JFK.
While the 525 million pounds of spent grain sent to feed livestock is reused, the transportation and usage of spent grain can be inefficient and the carbon emissions associated with their upraising are staggering. Our business solution increases the amount of food available for human consumption with available resources by transforming the wet spent grain into granola and other baked goods to strengthen regional food systems while reducing greenhouse gas emissions.
If all of the U.S. craft breweries' 750 million pounds of spent grain were used to make our granola products, we would create 1.2 billion 200-calorie servings of granola, which is 18 times more 200-calorie servings than what is currently produced using spent grain. It is also an 85% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, even when considering our manufacturing process. But even if we capture only 1% of the United States spent grain market within 2 years, we will produce 920,000 one-pound bags of granola, generating $4.2 million in revenue when charging $4.50 per bag.
Our business operations will introduce a unique food source and reduce food loss by picking up spent grain from a brewery in our solar-powered refrigerated van. We will then take it back to our facilities to dry it out and transform it into an edible granola.
So we know that spent grain is about 20% protein, 70% fiber. We know that spent grain has inulin and beta-glucans in it, which is great for prebiotic health and which improves immune system and overall intestinal health.
We are really excited because we've begun to bring this idea to life. We started in Denver, Colorado because there are over 60 craft breweries in the city and surrounding suburbs. Next steps entail gaining access to a bakery space to dry out wet spent grain, investing in our solar-powered van, and continuing to grow our brewery partners. We currently have 2 brewery partners willing to give us their spent grain.
Within 5 years, we plan to expand to Portland, Seattle, Chicago, and Minneapolis. These are the top U.S. cities with a large number of craft breweries and similar demographics to Denver. We plan to partner with at least 20 breweries within each new city, making sure that each market we enter will be impactful and meaningful. Anyone looking for a healthy snack without foregoing good taste will benefit from our business. The only ones that will be inconvenienced terribly are microbes in the landfill. By 2029, our business solution will evolve to work with breweries spanning the globe, specifically in developing countries. By partnering with parent companies of breweries with reach, such as Heineken and AB InBev, our business solution will remain relevant through nourishing families across countries and continents while continuing to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. If you're ready to join our revolution, check us out at lightgrains.co.